Welcome to ClearTask. Today we will cover how to quickly change your text to small or capital letters in PowerPoint. Start by opening your presentation and highlighting the exact text you want to format. Navigate to the Home tab located on the top menu ribbon. Inside the font group, look for the Change Case button. This icon is easily recognizable by a capital A and a lowercase a side by side. Click this icon to open a drop-down menu containing several formatting options. To convert all the selected text to capital letters, click Uppercase. To change your text entirely to small letters, choose Lowercase. You will also find other useful formatting options in this menu. Sentence case will capitalize only the first letter of your sentence, while capitalize each word is ideal for presentation titles and slide headings. For an even faster workflow, you can use a keyboard shortcut. After highlighting your text, simply hold down the Shift key and press F3. Pressing this combination repeatedly will automatically cycle your text through uppercase, lowercase, and sentence case, saving you extra clicks. That is all it takes to manage text casing in PowerPoint. If this guide helped you, subscribe to the channel for more direct tutorials. Thank you for watching.